Let that right shoulder just relax. Yep. Yeah, head's gonna come all the way across and push. Relax with that head. So get a big breath in. And all the way out. Let the shoulders drop. A bit of pressure and then push. Good job. Make sure you get a big breath in. And breathe out.